Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing how to hide email on LinkedIn profile. Now before we start, I'd like to invite you to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile that will transform your account into an income generating asset. So what you need to do is simply click on the drop down on the top right side of your screen. As you can see, your profile picture, and here access settings and privacy. Once you are there, you will be able to see the railing options at the left side of your screen. From these options, we are going to be heading over to visibility. Once you are on visibility, on the right side, you can see we have who can see and download your email address. This is the option that we need. Head over to that, and now we have a couple of options. The first one says only visible to me. If you want to completely hide your email address, this is the option that you should be choosing, and your setting should be automatically saved. Now we have a couple of other options as well, but these are going to be displaying your email to various people, like for example the connections that are closer, that are connections within your connections, and literally anyone on LinkedIn. So we are going to be choosing only visible to me, and that will do the job. So that's it for this video. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Until next video, take care and goodbye.